What is good, Lottery Stocks fam? As many of you know, I am on the road traveling right now. I want to talk about a couple of stocks that we have been killing it on in Discord and give you a brief update. This one has not been talked about, so I'm going to bring it to the YouTube community first, and it's ticker symbol COSM. We talked about it a long time ago in the past, and I might bring it up again because it's running up 10% today, and the chart is looking pretty good. Now, they recently got news that completely flew over my head, but they have been loading up on Ethereum, basically building a treasury worth now 1.8 million in Ethereum, which companies, especially the small companies, raising capital and loading up into these treasuries, in my opinion, is a very, very good idea. This is the new age. It's the new thing. There's a lot of expectations that cryptocurrencies as a whole will 3, 4, 5x in market cap in the near term, as well as things coming with digital ID, people shifting to cryptocurrencies and assets that you just cannot fake, the devaluation of the dollar and fiat currencies. Ultimately, I see this as huge news, and I'm going to be watching COSM as well as dropping it in Discord for any Discord members that aren't watching today's video. But RXRX is another short interest play that I believe I gave the YouTube family recently that has a 40% short interest. We dropped it in Discord. We were in calls in Discord, and so far, while on the road, it's been paying out for me as well as some of the family. So shout out to all of you guys who followed that as well. APLD hitting $40. I see that too. That's crazy. A lot of our plays are doing very, very good. I also saw that the SPY got a little bit of a relief rally today over some tensions hopefully being eased with China. But at some point, you do need to ignore all of the news, all of the chaos, all of the headlines, and take a look at the technicals. And what the technicals show me personally, and again, I don't have my charts, is that we are still at some point due for a healthier pullback on the SPY. I don't believe the pullback was healthy enough on the SPY, on the overall market, and one more headline could be the catalyst to, or the excuse to drop it more. Is it something I'm betting on? Not necessarily. I think it's too risky to bet on, but running trailing take profits on a lot of the plays that have been giving hundreds of percentage gains might be the right idea. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but we are seeing some volatility. We are picking some of the right plays. We are watching these mining companies, and we are going to pay attention to the global tension that is happening, as well as these energy chip stocks, data centers, so on and so on. I just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. Make sure to pop in my Discord server. It's the top link in the description of the video. I'll post some gains that we have so far on these plays, as well as let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, most importantly on COSM loading up on Ethereum. I also want to note about that, the 1.8 million ownership they have now is a very small drop in the bucket of what they're ready to unload into crypto. Not necessarily positive on the straight line trajectory of the strategy, but I think it's crucial for a company this size. So keep it on your radar. But yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of the week. I'm going to try to check in as much as possible and make sure to be in the Discord so we can chat back and forth. I will be in there, especially in the morning, right around market open. I love you all. God bless. Lottery Stocks out.